Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic that's been buzzing in the productivity world: Airtable versus Notion. Which one is the better choice for your team in 2025? Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or collaborating on ideas, both tools have evolved a lot, but one might just edge out the other depending on your needs. Let's break it down step by step. First off, let's talk about what makes Airtable stand out. It's essentially a flexible database that feels like a spreadsheet on steroids. In 2025, Airtable has enhanced its automation features and integrations, making it perfect for teams that deal with large datasets, like marketing or sales teams. You can create custom views, link records, and even automate workflows with ease. However, it might have a steeper learning curve if you're not tech-savvy, and its pricing can add up for larger teams. On the flip side, Notion has become a powerhouse for all-in-one workspaces. By 2025, it's even more intuitive with AI-powered suggestions and better mobile apps. Notion shines in its versatility: think notes, wikis, and databases all in one place. It's fantastic for creative teams or remote workers who need a centralized hub for brainstorming and documentation. The downside? It can get messy with tons of content, and collaboration might slow down in real time for bigger groups. Now, when it comes to collaboration, both tools support team features, but Airtable edges ahead with robust permissions and real-time updates, ideal for structured team environments. Notion, however, offers a more free-form experience that fosters creativity. Pricing-wise, Notion starts cheaper for small teams, but Airtable might offer more value for enterprise-level use. So, which one is better? It really depends on your team's priorities. If you need powerful databases and automation, go with Airtable. For a flexible, all-in-one solution that's easy to start with, Notion is your winner. In 2025, both are top tier, so test them out and see what fits. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you next time.